So right now, I think this is gonna be the end of this video. And hey, just real quick, this is the type of stuff that you see here in Carlisle when people are pulling in. I mean, you got cabs and stuff. So these right here, probably what, you got a 53 there, then you got 72. So you got, now they're in pretty rough shape, man, right there. Yeah, but this is why we like to come early. Alright guys, so we are back. You guys know where we're at. What do you think we're at? We are back in Carlisle. This is the spring swap meet, guys, 2024. We got here a little early this week, and I tell you what, I already know it's gonna be a good turnout. It's like 70 degrees out here, and you guys can see me turn you guys around. It's pretty much like a full house already. So you guys know the routine. We're gonna walk around. We don't have the golf cart this time, but we're gonna walk around, find some rusty gold, and at the end of the day or whatever, we're gonna show you our bounty. So I'm not really looking for anything. I'm not building anything, but old Counts, you know, he's always building something, guys. So we'll walk around, film a few things here. We're about to go up here on the hill, and we will definitely keep you guys informed and stuff if we find any cool items. Now, you know, I'm looking for a gas pump though. Always looking for a gas pump. And if we can find a nice deal on one, we'll definitely show you guys and we'll pick it up. Let's get to walking. Let's stop talking. Those are big ones. Oh, yeah, I like those. They got a little mechanism on the side of it. What's that there? I've never seen one like that, Cal.
Yeah, they're a lot taller than ones we got.
Oh, I like those.
Yeah, cool.
Now I'll get me another one of those.
I'm over there.
I know you are. They got a pre-made bed. Well, it's not a pre-made one, but
yeah, you like the original look. You got that in your little red truck, don't you?
yeah, but it's pieced together. I wonder what happened to the rest of it. That's what, 92?
I guess I would have thought got that old cabin doors. Of course, that's a good looking cabin doors.
A little mini bike. I remember growing up with those things. They're those little mini bikes. Morristown. Alright, so you got, is that left hand right?
Yeah.
Yep, right hand right, yeah. Those. One pair sold. All the truck parts you could possibly want. New stock. Rocker panels. But we already copped some front fenders. And this is what they carry, everything there, man. Anything, if you got an old truck and you want to build something, it's called CPI truck parts. Now, they are a little high, but at least they will have your product. Compared to a lot of other places out here, they are a little high. I believe they come from Alabama. But they got good stuff. Open that mob up and make sure ain't no dents or nothing in it. That's pretty neat how they come wrapped up now, ain't they?
That's nice.
Yeah, it is nice.
They put them in a really big box.
Ain't that the truth? Yeah.
It makes it a little harder to move these things around. Load them up.
Yeah, not bad. I'm surprised they put that hole in there. Looks like to me well up, right, Jones?
That's it.
Looks good, thank
Look
you.
good. All right, man, so we're here at all the cabs and stuff. They do have some small back windows. And those, what year are those over there? 55 and 59, 59? Let's walk around here and see. Now this is where old Counts get all his stuff from. I think I actually brought some doors from this guy one time before. And this one is chopped. Now these aren't the 55s, though. They're over here. We're gonna walk over there. Look at all these doors. I mean, doors, no. And I tell you what, these guys from Arizona, aren't they? Or,
I think so.
yeah, I think these from Arizona. They got hoods. That's 62. Fenders. Look at doors. God, he got the doors, don't he? Man. Inner fenders. Those 55, 53. Inner fenders as well. Even got the big trucks over there and tailgates over here. Doors, fenders, front fenders over here. These things rust free, man. What? No, I gotta say, yeah, no, it's not. They normally are though, but yeah, that was pretty ate up.
Yeah, both of them pretty rough. Well, they are. They ain't. Oh, that's just fixable.
Yeah, it's fixable, of course. Huh?
Ain't seen no gas pumps yet, Jones.
No, actually, no, we haven't. All right, so let's see what else we can find, guys.
26. I'll think about that.
I never seen one all together like that.
Oh, yeah, I've seen them. It's they are cool. Basically the same head, just the bottom.
Right. So they're unpacking still, see, so they got all kinds of cool little stuff in here. A lot of repop.
Oh, you got the pumps in here, Jones.
Yeah, repop stuff.
No, you got repop.
That stuff over here?
Nice
Where?
pump right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, I didn't see that.
You're the nothing.
Oh, they got two tall ones, don't they?
2 years. It's been out 2 years.
How much for the tall pump back here, old buddy?
They're both the same. The one you're leaning on,
They picked up somebody?
That's the one I took the picture with last time, Iron Trap Garage, that big YouTuber.
What did you do?
I just took some pictures with him. He's a good guy.
Oh,
Yeah.
I remember that now. That's him on third.
No, that's one of his partners. All right, so old Counts just gave me a lesson. They said these right here, big blocks here, and they get them. And what you call it, retravised?
Yeah, they take them and have them resurfaced.
The resurfacing stuff.
Yeah, I had to have it. Yeah, that's 55. Got 57 grill in it.
57 grill.
57 hood on it. Maybe a 57.
Hey, I like that. The speed wagon. What is that? F20?
It looks like a whole dog to me, but I don't know what it is.
I tell you what, that'll be a cool. Is that? That's not a.
That's an F20. Maybe it. I don't really know.
That'd be a cool toy hauler, wouldn't it?
Hell of a nice one, no joke. They left that off
I
the
mean-
frame.
Ain't no dents back there or nothing. She's a little warped back there though.
I'm surprised they didn't just pull that off the frame and get more money out of it.
I know, right?
Huh?
They probably didn't have the means of doing it.
You get more money out of it if they had it off the frame. I tell you, if this was home, I'd buy it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that is cool, man.
If it was at home, where I could just break coat, get it, bring it home,
Yeah.
buy that. That is really damn cool. I like it because it's not a cab over. You can get you a good shot.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It's not a cab over. Yeah, see, me and old counts. We like to try to get out here a little early and stuff, and that's when you find all the good deals and stuff. So we already got a lot of stuff already. We got fenders, we got the glass. We pay for everything now. We'll pick it up tomorrow. But this guy got a lot of cool stuff. So you guys need to come down to these shows. This one here is in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. Hopefully I can, the shade won't mess it up.
Yeah, that's what I've been seeing them for.
Yeah, this one is the redone one too. I like the old gas stamps and this one here. They got a good paint job on that one.
How much is that one?
26.
Yeah, that's a nice pump too.
Yeah,
It's working, ready to go. It's got the copper line going down to the bottom. Hook
really cool sign. So this is what I'm thinking about getting. That cigar right there with the cigar. This guy here, I really like him. Put that in the.
Yeah, that's a cool one.
Yeah.
We haven't had it for too long.
Yeah, well, I sent it. I think the fall, and I was gonna get it, but kind of couldn't make my mind up.
Yeah, that thing. Reached over and cuddled with my
That
nephew.
goes some
He's like a big
pumps.
old bear, you know. He's like, Uncle Bill, I better not feel them poking me.
Right there.
Man, I'm just, you know,
So
waking up. I want to, you know.
that's a rough looking pump there, and it's sold for $1,200.
So, really,
There's another one. Those are little short pumps there. Whew.
that's what I'm saying.
All right. Now tell me that wouldn't be a nice toy hauler there. 1949 Ford COE. And it also got a good title. Let's walk around this puppy. Huh.
Those are rear fenders.
8,500.
There's a pair
Whew.
of those right there. These are all Chevy.
That's cool though.
This one's rear as well.
Small little window.
Damn, I was gonna say that's what those are.
All right, guys, y'all know now this right here is dear to my heart. And this is the first truck I built here. This is a 62. And that's what mine was, man. I tell you, that's the one thing I hate that I sold and got rid of it. But I always like these trucks. And this is the one I want now. 55 to 58. She's clean. Two-tone. Got the gas in the back, gas tank in the back. But that's a small back window. I don't know if you guys can see that inside, but everything you see, guys, is for sale. Chevrolet Master Deluxe. And look at this little monster. Pacer. That's cool. It's a lot of glass in that boy. A lot of glass. Yeah, there I got, but that got that visible, but it's already sold.
That's good. That's good. I like it. I like it. I'm gonna put the Coca-Cola. 100. But you can ride around with that thing on.
Got a lot of bodywork damage on the bottom. That visible is already sold. Oh yeah, it is rough. Look at that. Look at that grill. Now that's pretty neat, ain't it? That's that grill.
Barbecue grill, yeah.
I tell you, that's a lot of tack welding there. Yeah, that's cool. Got a little dinosaur. How you doing?
There's a palm tree.
Yeah. Another old bull, palm tree. It's a lot of tack welding. I tell you what, guys, we've walked pretty much all down here and stuff. This is early day, so people are still moving in, but we've actually found a lot of nice stuff, and we've found pretty much everything that we're looking for. And so now we're gonna go up here and try to get the truck. We may go down here, pull in, and pick up some of our parts. We may just wait till tomorrow to do it. But today is a really nice day. We've seen already some cool stuff. Nothing caught my eye as far as gas pumps or anything. So I believe actually now we're probably gonna go ahead and end this video right now. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. You guys know this is 2024 Carlisle, the spring swap meet, and we're looking forward to it, guys. So we're gonna be here for a few days, and I hope you guys have been enjoying this video hanging with CJ. So if, like I tell you guys, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got it, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.